So many young people dropping out. 1 out of 5 young people in the United States drops out or thinks about dropping out of high school. Can you imagine the amount of students that are also reporting depression? Never before have we seen so many young people under 25 years old think about bankruptcy. Or so many young people today, because of depression, giving suicide a thought. This is why we do the BIZNOVATOR Discover Workshop. It's a workshop that really teaches you through a series of assessments, the 7 mindsets, and challenges in a fun, interactive way with music and dynamics so that you can start to discover your purpose. It's a 2.5-day workshop. Trust me, it's fun, it's engaging, it's exploratory learning, all in one place, filled with young people, energetic millennials just like you. A DJ, can you imagine playing the hippest music, up-to-date music, techno, hip-hop, R&B, whatever it is? At the BIZNOVATOR Discover Workshop, we have figured out a way to engage you, and that's why we encourage you to attend the BIZNOVATOR Discover Workshop. And if you can't attend that live, we have My BIZNOVATOR, where you can learn everything we do live, but you can learn it in your own learning portal at My BIZNOVATOR. Thank you.